Want to make this very quick video regarding car maintenance. Actually, you don't do it yourself, but I do a lot of car maintenance myself, especially right now when it's not too hot. But anyway, a couple things. To me, the best place if you have Walmart, auto center near where you live, and you like synthetic oil, we start going to Walmart more and more with oil changes because before that I used to do my own oil changes, but then because of the weather and my work schedule, if you want a quick, of course, try to go there during weekdays or maybe late in the evening on weekends. Again, they might have a staff shortage right now because of the COVID and other things. But for synthetic oil, you expect to pay about, I believe, like $50, including the filter. I think it's a special kind of filter, which is not a regular oil filter. So it's about $50 for my daughter's 2018 Hyundai Accord yesterday. And after oil change, every 3,000 or 5,000 miles, you want to do tire rotation. And the best place to get your free tire rotation, if you're not Costco member, is American Tires. Maybe there are some other places, and they're pretty good. They're pretty quick. They will check your tires, everything, inspect your tires, everything. Now, if you need for American Tires, if you also need a balance, which I'm also a Costco member. If you need balancing, they will charge, I think, $20, to do everything. So tire rotation and balancing will be like $20. But if, a lot of time you just want a free rotation, that's no cost to you. So always follow up after oil change, do your tire rotation to keep your tires in good shape and last longer, get the most out of your investment, and stay safe. Again, they're gonna check your tires, everything, and let you know. Of course, if you need to replace your tires, you can do it right there also. And they have different pricing for different kind of tires, and they're pretty quick. You can wait there if it's not too long. Probably take like 40 minutes or so. So you can do that during weekdays and things like that. And try not to go during peak hours. So that's my two tips: oil change at Walmart and followed by a free rotation at American Tires. Hope it helps. And there's nice people, and the shop is pretty big, so they should have a lot of technicians that can help you. And I believe you can do an online appointment to go down, and you can ask them how long it would take. But normally it doesn't take that long. And anyway, hope it helps. It is helpful, and we'll see you folks on the next video. And stay safe. Thanks so much. Appreciate it.